So this is our model, Audrey. She's been so kind as to let us film while we're adjusting her. She is 23 weeks, and so I'm gonna have you go face down. We wanna clean this up. That looks just about right. Okay, and so you're gonna descend down a little bit. This. Good. So the fact now that this is spring-loaded and breaks away takes a lot of the stress off of this area. Okay, then take a big breath in. Good, then out. Good, like that. And then, let's have it go up. You just keep rolling. We'll edit through this part. This table is called a knee chest table. It has no table underneath the tummy, so this is another good way to adjust in this area. Okay, and then let your tummy drop down. There you go. Good. Okay, and then drop down a little bit more. There you go. Okay. And then have her file for me. Let's just have you come on over here. I'll adjust you on your side. All right. Fantastic. So getting adjusted throughout pregnancy and afterwards is really a crucial way to maintain your structural integrity, keep your nervous system functioning properly, and really kind of beat the stresses of pregnancy, the structural and other physical stress. I'm Dr. Steve Battaglino with Battaglino Family Chiropractic, urging you to get your spine checked by a qualified chiropractor during pregnancy and afterwards.